tracking. This thing is so huge. This is literally like having a dinosaur. They come close enough. And it goes back. No, I've done this so many times, and that thing is intimidating. That's different? It feels completely different.
Really?
There's kind of like there's two schools of thought with googly eyes. There's the one where there's the lens on it and the thing that actually sort of like floats within it, which I think would be hard to do at the scale. But then there's the Cookie Monster school of googly eye, where it just has a pin and like a bearing, and it rotates off axis.
Just like print out the front and then do like a grid of holes, and then we can just like pin it in different spots. And like, is that right? Is that right?
Yeah, and then on this one have. So you could pick how far off center you wanted either one.
There you go. Just so it never leaves.
That scene ready for the iPhone?